Have you ever felt constantly tired, foggy, or cold, even when everything around you seems fine? What if I told you these subtle symptoms could be warning signs of a silent deficiency, one so overlooked, yet so critical, it can change the way every cell in your body functions? You might be walking around right now with an undetected imbalance that's sabotaging your health from the inside out. This isn't about a trendy diet or some rare exotic mineral. This is about iodine. Yes, iodine, the unsung hero of human metabolism. It's not flashy, it doesn't make headlines, but without it, your thyroid, the tiny butterfly-shaped gland in your neck, begins to fall apart. And when the thyroid fails, everything fails. Your energy, your mood, your weight, your ability to think clearly. What's worse, over 2 billion people worldwide are affected by iodine deficiency, and most of them have no idea. Today, we uncover the 7 warning signs your body may be desperately low on iodine, and what you can do to fix it before it's too late. Let's count down the 7 symptoms of iodine deficiency that could be hiding in plain sight, starting with the most deceptive one of all. Number 7, you wake up tired. You drag through your day. You tell yourself it's just stress, or maybe a bad night's sleep. But what if it's something deeper? Constant fatigue that doesn't go away can be one of the earliest warning signs of iodine deficiency. That's because iodine is the fuel your thyroid needs to make hormones that control how fast or slow your body runs. When iodine is low, your thyroid can't do its job, and your metabolism slows down. It's like trying to run a race with no gas in the tank. The result? You feel exhausted even after a full night's rest. You lose motivation. Your body feels heavier, and your mind, it struggles to keep up. According to the World Health Organization, iodine deficiency is one of the top causes of preventable thyroid-related fatigue around the world. Number 6, your weight keeps creeping up, but nothing has changed. You're eating the same, you're moving the same, and yet the pounds appear slow and steady. It doesn't make sense until you understand how iodine connects to your metabolism. Your thyroid is like a thermostat. It controls how many calories your body burns, whether you're at rest or on the move. But to do that job, it needs iodine. When iodine is low, thyroid hormone production drops, and with it, your metabolic rate. That means your body starts storing fat, not using it. You could be doing everything right and still gaining weight. For many people, this silent metabolic slowdown begins years before a formal diagnosis, which is why it's so important to catch it early. Number 5, your thoughts feel cloudy. You walk into a room and forget why. You can't focus on conversations. Simple decisions feel like heavy mental work. This isn't just tiredness, it's brain fog. And it's another classic sign of iodine deficiency. Iodine is essential for proper brain function. It helps maintain healthy nerve signals and supports the development and maintenance of cognitive abilities. When your thyroid isn't getting enough iodine to produce hormones, your brain starts to feel the impact. In fact, a major study published in The Lancet found that children born to iodine-deficient mothers had significantly lower IQ scores, and in adults, iodine deficiency can lead to problems with memory, attention, and even depression. If your mind feels slower than usual, don't ignore it. It might be more than just stress. Number 4, you're always cold, even when everyone else seems fine. Your fingers feel like ice. Your feet never seem to warm up. You layer up in warm rooms. Sound familiar? This could be your body sending a distress signal. Iodine deficiency slows down thyroid function, and your thyroid plays a major role in regulating body temperature. When it's underperforming, your internal furnace simply doesn't generate enough heat. As a result, you become hypersensitive to even slight drops in temperature. It's not in your head, it's in your hormones. And this symptom can appear even in mild cases of iodine deficiency. Your body is struggling to create warmth because it's struggling to maintain balance. Number 3, your skin looks dull. It feels dry, flaky. No matter how much lotion you use, nothing seems to restore its glow. You think it's aging, dehydration, or maybe the weather. But beneath the surface, your skin may be crying out for iodine. Healthy skin needs healthy cell turnover, And that depends on thyroid hormones, which rely on iodine. Without enough iodine, cell regeneration slows. Dead skin cells linger longer. Moisture retention decreases. The result? Skin that feels rough, dry, and lifeless. Dermatologists often treat symptoms like dryness without ever checking the root cause. But in many cases, the real issue begins with the thyroid. If your skincare routine isn't working, it may be time to look inward. Number 2, you notice swelling in your neck. At first, it's subtle, a puffiness you can't quite explain. But over time, it grows. It becomes visible, sometimes uncomfortable. This isn't just inflammation. It could be a goiter, one of the most visible signs of iodine deficiency. A goiter forms when your thyroid grows larger in an attempt to absorb more iodine from your bloodstream. It's your body's way of overcompensating, trying to protect itself from failure. Decades ago, goiters were common across entire regions, especially where soil lacked iodine. That changed when iodine was added to table salt. But now, with the rise in Himalayan salt, sea salt, and low-sodium diets, iodine deficiency is slowly making a comeback. If you see or feel swelling at the base of your neck, don't ignore it. It's your thyroid sounding the alarm. Number 1, you want to start a family, but something's off. Irregular periods, difficulty conceiving, or worse, complications during pregnancy. These are not just reproductive issues. They may be signs of iodine deficiency. For women, iodine is vital for hormone balance and fertility, and during pregnancy, it becomes even more important. The developing fetus relies entirely on the mother's thyroid hormones, and those hormones can't be made without iodine. If a pregnant woman is deficient, the risk of miscarriage, stillbirth, or developmental delays skyrockets. According to UNICEF and the WHO, iodine deficiency is the leading preventable cause of mental disabilities in newborns. The consequences are heartbreaking and entirely avoidable. Whether you're trying to conceive or already pregnant, iodine should never be overlooked. So what can you do? The good news, iodine deficiency is completely preventable and often reversible. Start by adding iodine-rich foods to your diet. Seaweed, cod, tuna, yogurt, eggs, and dairy products are all excellent sources. Even one sheet of dried seaweed can give you more than your daily requirement. Next, take a closer look at your salt. Is it iodized? If you've switched to sea salt or Himalayan pink salt, check the label. Most of them are not fortified with iodine. You may be unintentionally cutting out your primary source of this essential mineral. And finally, consult your doctor. If you suspect low iodine or thyroid issues, ask for a simple thyroid panel or urine iodine test. Don't self-diagnose and don't supplement without professional guidance. Disclaimer: always consult your healthcare provider before making dietary changes or taking iodine supplements. Your health isn't just what you see in the mirror. Sometimes it's what you don't see that matters most. Iodine may be a trace mineral, but its impact is anything but small. Now you know the signs, you've seen the symptoms, and you hold the knowledge. It's time to act. Take control of your thyroid, fuel your body, sharpen your mind, and protect your future and your family's future with one simple mineral. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button, subscribe for more health insights, and share this with someone who needs it. Because sometimes it's the smallest deficiencies that cause the biggest problems, and sometimes the smallest changes save lives.